What's good, guys? All right, now, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am a beginner at Python, so I found this website called practicepython.org. I'm gonna see if I can do some shit. So this is the first exercise. It's basically create a program that asks the user to enter their name and age, print out a message addressed to them that tells them the year that they will turn 100 years old. Extras, I don't know about this. Hold up. Add onto the previous, ask the user for another number and printing out that many copies of the previous message. Print out that many copies of the previous message. I don't get what they're talking about. What is order of operations? Order of operations. Oh, okay. I know. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, wait. Means like add. But when you see something like what part should you calculate first? Okay. I don't know. So this is basically let's let's just give it a try. I'm gonna use REPL.it because I want to. So so I guess we should get the time. So I'm gonna import date time, and I think that's all I need. Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna import. Actually, nah, I'm good. Alright, so I'm going to create two variables. One is the name. So the name is going to be none at the moment. And then we're going to put the age equals in 0 because we don't... The hell's that sound? We don't know the age yet, so I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to make a function. I'm going to call this calculate the year. Calculate year. So alright, now I am kind of zoning right. Oh wait, no, we gotta make more variables. Hold on. I'm gonna make a time. I'm gonna get date time dot now, and then I'm gonna hit enter, and then I'm gonna get the year right now currently. So it's gonna be time dot year. If we print year, we should get the year, and let me just put this to pass so it doesn't do any errors on us, and we should get 2020. So that's working. Yep. So we're just gonna delete that real quick, and then next we're gonna do to the calculate year. So I'm gonna grab the global, I'm gonna grab age, and then we're gonna make a difference. So we gotta figure out the difference from, like, we're going to do 100 minus the person's age, so we can add that difference onto the current year right now so that we can figure out what year they will be 100. Yeah, so I'm going to name the variable diff, and that's going to be 100 minus the age. Hit enter, and we're going to define another function. We're going to do get year. Okay. This is the trick I learned when programming, is if you speak out loud and talk of how it works, then it will come out, you know, it will come out eventually. So I'm gonna get global and then year. So the global year, we're gonna do year plus the difference. Okay, wait. Actually, no. Year should equal year plus the difference, so we can update that, and then we're gonna return year so we can get the variable back. And I'm not sure if that's true or not, but and we're gonna go ahead and call out the function get year inside of our calculate year function. Down here, I'm going to do name equals input, and we could just put regular input because it's going to be a string, and then the age is going to equal to a integer as an input as an integer, and we're going to call out calculate year. Okay, and then I'm going to create, so calculate year, and then I'm going to go ahead and I hope I don't get taken down by YouTube for swearing. Oh god, why is it? Hold on, let me see if I can make this look a little brighter. I got a ring light something like that. Okay, now, where was I? Okay, now once we get the calculated year, I'm gonna do something like print f as string, something like that, and then okay, and then I'm gonna say name. You will turn 100 in oh wait, no, you know what? Okay, you are age years old. So due to my calculations, you will turn 100 on the year, and then finish this off. Alright, please be no errors. I swear to God. Oh, you know what? Let's just ask. Okay, what is your name? And then I'm also gonna ask them how. Whoa, caps. How old are ya? And I gotta put a question mark. And I'm gonna do a colon space so it doesn't look messy. And then we're gonna hit enter. Not enter, run. Okay, alright. My name is Brandon. I am 18. Oh, there we go. Okay, Brandon, you are 18 years old. So due to my calculations, you will turn 100 on the year 2102. Yes, first try. Let's go. Yes. Future program software engineer. Yes, let's go. All right. So this video is done. I'm gonna do more of these videos. Maybe you guys can follow along and maybe learn something new too. As I learn, you can go onto this website called practicepython.org. It has a lot of these exercises. I want to see the solution though. Hold up. All right, sample solution. Whoa, what is this? They made the simplest version. What the fuck? Okay, because I cannot include every single submission I get, I will choose one or two that are example answers. Okay. Exercise 1, create a program. Yep. All right, here's the sample solution. There's only 4 lines of code. What the fuck? Okay. Name equals input. Yep. Oh wow. Wait. Whoa. Yeah. You copying me with the colon and shit? No, actually. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Age. I got that right. Year equals string. String. Wait. A string. What the fuck? Whoa, dude. Wait. Oh. He minus the age from the year, and then he added 100, so it was the same as mine, but different. All right, and then he prints name plus. Okay, Brent. Yeah. All right. Name will be 100 years old in the year. Well, apparently you can make it with 4 lines of code, but I just did it like this. Holy shit, dude. I mean, I like it like this better because you can organize everything. I mean, just 4 lines of code. Come on now. I mean, this is more advanced, right? Using functions. I just learned how to use functions. Now I'm learning how to use classes. Because that's still something confusing to me. I'm still learning that. But anyways, guys, if you stayed till the end of the video, thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a good day. Don't get corona. Peace.